Very wonderful morning to all. Today we are going to start the chapter which is Introduction to Flash CS6. Before starting this chapter, let me just inform you what is a Flash. So Flash is a software which is used for creating animations, for creating games also, or for creating applications. For that, we use a Flash software. This CS6 means, CS6 written over there, it means that it is a version of Flash, right? This CS6 means that this is a version of Flash, this CS6. Now, it is a very useful application which is used in multimedia graphic programs used to create cartoons, text graphics, games, or any other special effects. This is a software of a company, Adobe. This software is created by a company which is known as Adobe. Known as Adobe. ADOBE, which is known as Adobe. So these are the softwares. Adobe is having different softwares like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and many more. And many more. So this is one of the applications which is used for creating graphics in your picture. You must have seen just yesterday, Shara was there. So you received many blessings in the form of images or small videos or GIFs, right? So all these GIFs or videos, small videos are created in Flash software. This is software में design करते हैं. How to install this Flash software? It is very much easy. You can go to the browser and search for Flash Player. There you will see the link and then you can install your Flash software. This is one thing. Second thing, this is a paid software. One thing means you have to purchase it. We can have a crack version, but we have to purchase it. It is a paid software. How you start a Flash? It is very simple. Once your program is installed in your Flash in your computer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So whenever we launch our Flash for the first time, it always show the screen, the very first screen, which is known as the welcome screen. From welcome screen बोलते हैं. How to open it? Click on the start button, then all programs. You can see that here Adobe is written. Adobe means it is a product of Adobe company. Adobe is creating this Flash software, right? Now, this is the complete window of Flash, in which you are having different components. So the very first top bar, we have menu bar, which contains all the necessary options or features which are required to create your Flash movie. Then timeline panel. In timeline, we create animations. Then we have on the right hand side, we have properties. Properties are used to give properties to the objects which you will make on the uh, software. And then next we have pasteboard. This pasteboard is an area where you actually create your picture. You actually make your cartoon or whatever you feel like. And then you will put animations and editing to it. So this is the complete interface of Flash CS6 software. The very first term which we have is stage. The white rectangular area of the Adobe Flash workspace is called stage. अभी I have shown you the white area that is known as stage. उसी को क्या बोलते हैं? Stage बोलते हैं. It will get appear in the public movie. The objects placed in the pasteboard, the gray area around the stage, will not appear in a finished movie. It means, let's say you have inserted 7, 8 things like tree, house, river, boat, and a mountain. These things you have inserted in your image. Now, what you are doing, you have put some grasses as well. Grass, or I can say animal. One cow is there, but you don't want to be, first you have inserted it, and now you feel like that I don't want this cow in my picture. So what you can do, you can put that picture in the pasteboard area, and when Using this baseboard area, the cow will not be visible in your picture. It will be there, but it will not be visible. The timeline panel. Timeline is the area where you control the images and sound in your Flash document. जहाँ पर आप sounds or images को take care करते हो, that area is known as timeline. It is having different things. The first one is frames. Frame is the single step of animation or picture in a Flash timeline. Means whenever you want to go for animation, जब सबसे पहले animation use करोगे, in that case what you will do, you will go for frames. Very first step, which is used to control and organize the content in your document. Then next we have is layers. Layers are used to organize the element in our movie. We have different layers for different tasks. Again, I'm taking the same example. We have tree, house, mountains, and a river in my picture. So all the 4 or 5 things I will prepare on different layers. Advantage क्या होगा? Whatever changes I will make in mountain, whatever editing I will do in mountain wali layer, that will not be reflected in all the other layers. But if all the pictures are on the same layer, then whatever editing I'm doing on one picture it will be taken care by the whole group. That is why we used to create different layers. Then next we have panels. Panels are very easy to use. First thing, they make our work easy. Second thing, which is used to uh, control our content basically. It is used to control our content. By default, it is available in the next section. Now, very important, to create any movie, to create any object on the Flash, we use some tools. There are various tools available. The first one is the selection tool, then lasso tool, text tool, oval tool, brush tool, bone tool, eyedropper tool. So different tools are available for different work. Deco tool, pencil, paint bucket. You are aware of paint bucket. It is used to fill colors into an image. Eraser to delete a part of an image. Pencil to draw something. Brush to give some paint effect. Pen tool to use pen. Text tool to write some text. Line tool to draw a line, and many more. How to create a Flash document? It is very simple. You will click on the file menu, the new option. Then new option, then open new document. Next we have how to create a Flash document. So for Flash document, we click on the new button, then new document, and then click on OK. Your Flash document will be opened up. So how to save your file? Next step we have this. Saving is also just like creating. Click on the file tab, and then what you will do, you will click on save. Then next we have is, one second, opening a Flash file. If you want to open something, so we have go to the file tab. Okay, Control plus S is the shortcut key to save, right? Then opening a file. If you want to open a file, then uh, Control plus O is the shortcut key. Control plus O, or we can say we go for Flash file tab, and then we'll click on open button. Exit के लिए we have 2-3 keys available. The first is Control plus Q, then Alt F4, or we click on exit from the file menu, or close button from the right corner of the Flash. You can see this cross button. Every application have a cross button. Okay, so we can go for close, or this close button. So this is all about the chapter, right? If the extension of your Adobe Flash software is .fla. This .fla means a file which you are going to save in Flash that will be saved with your name along with an extension which is .fla. Extensions, what are extensions actually? Extensions defines the type of file, what type of file you are having, or what type of file this particular, uh, basically, if you are creating a file, then on which software that particular file will open up. That is explained or told by the extension. For example, if I'm making a PowerPoint presentation and I'm saving the file, so the extension of the file will be .50, right? If I'm working on MS Word, the extension will be .doc. In the same way, if I'm working on Flash movie, we have an extension which is .fl. It is always a three-letter word. It is always a three-letter word for creating for extensions. So this is all for today. So I have done from my side, and goodbye to all, and have a nice day and take care of yourself.